Battery test, full probe test within this range is okay. And then we go to the measurement, adjust it to 0. Oh, fast mode, that's easier. So no. And then let's start the microwave. Now we have the sensor. And then if we open the door slightly, we will see that there's some radiation getting out of the microwave. On the front everything is fine, but as soon as we open the door, there's slight radiation getting out. And then you have the inside of the instrument. The microwave. Bling! It's ready. So you just add the batteries in the side like this. And we changed the battery pole on this one to a new battery pole.